Alright, so I had this little speedometer for a bicycle for a while now. It's one of those wireless Amazon ones. And I'm not trying to set no land speed records here or anything on a bicycle. But I like to know generally how fast I'm going in an area with a, speed limit and stuff. So this fluctuates a little up and down and stuff. But everyone's like, oh, they're crap, they don't keep speed accurately. And, well, got a cell phone mount. We're going to put the cell phone on it and then compare the two and just see how close they are. I mean, I don't know. I don't really have high hopes for it, but as long as it keeps it in the ballpark, that's kind of the idea. Just so I know I'm not doing, 40 in a 10-mile-an-hour zone. So, alright, let's give this a shot and see how close they are.
I wanted to see how close these two are, so we're going to take it for a quick spin, just to see. But this seems to be pretty dead on with that. I hope you guys can see it. Alright, here we go. Pretty accurate. 30 and 30. 20. Cruising right along. They're pretty damn in sync. Let's see. So the bike one read 40.3 max, this one read 39, so 1 mile an hour difference. Pretty accurate actually, much better than I thought it would be. So yeah, I'm pretty damn surprised. This was 40.3, it says max, this one says 39. So, on average, it's pretty damn close.